Today I want to share with you the recipe for this delicious sugar-free chocolate dessert. It's smooth, creamy and fluffy. It really goes down very well. We're going to use agar, 8 grams. We add 40 ml of water to dissolve it very well and set it aside. Agar, also known as gluten, is a natural gelling agent obtained from certain species of red algae. It has a bland taste, a neutral smell, and is low in calories. Unsweetened cocoa powder with no added sugar is a nutrient-rich ingredient that provides numerous health benefits. We will use 50 grams, put them in a pot, and add coconut milk. We'll use 500 ml coconut milk. We add it little by little and mix very well so that no lumps form. Please subscribe to my channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is optional, but we can add about 16 drops of liquid stevia, 100% stevia. After mixing very well, we take it to the kitchen and add the agar that we had prepared. A splash of vanilla, which is optional. We keep stirring it while it cooks until it comes to a boil. At that moment, we turn off the heat and let it cool down a bit. In the mold, if we want to add a little touch, we can put a bit of 70% dark chocolate and then fill it with the mixture. Or simply fill the molds without adding anything. Then we put it in the fridge for 2 hours or more, and then we unmold it. This is how the ones with the piece of chocolate turn out. And this is how the plain ones turn out. I would really like you to tell me which videos from my channel you like the most and which ones support you in your daily life. Now it's time for the little ones to enjoy. Thank you for visiting us in this video, and I hope you really enjoy this recipe. Bye!